In this video, we will show you how to add an unsubscribe link in Klaviyo. If you guys want to get started with Klaviyo, you can use the links down in the description. First, open your web browser and here search for Klaviyo. Now click on the first link to visit the website. Click the sign up button on the top right side. You need to provide the required details including your email address, password, company name, and more. Make sure to enter the correct and accurate details. Next, verify your identity by solving a puzzle. Then click create account to continue. It'll start creating your account and this will take a few seconds. After that, describe your business from the drop-down menu and then continue. Select the main focus of your business by selecting the relevant option. Next, select your primary business platform, otherwise skip this part. Your physical address is required to make sure that your emails comply with international anti-spam laws. Enter the correct address and click continue. Next, choose the sender name and email address that will appear in the subscriber's inbox. Then select the source your subscribers can reach, such as email only. Now check your email to activate your account in Klaviyo. Here, click confirm email and it'll direct you to your account. Go to the Content tab and select the Templates option. Search for subscriber and select the new subscriber template. Use the template and scroll down to find the unsubscribe option. On the top bar, there's an attached link icon and click on it. Now enter the unsubscribe URL here and then apply. Here, subscribers can get the unsubscribe link at the end. So that's how to add an unsubscribe link in Klaviyo. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Klaviyo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.